Just got back from flying, and it was a blast. Fortunately, I only got in one pack, but it was a good pack. I didn't crash, which is huge for me. I'm still at the stage now where I feel pretty accomplished if I can take off and land without crashing. Even if I play it safe. I went to the first place I went to. There was some people sledding and stuff, and I could have kind of stayed away from them, but I just decided that if I had somebody with me, I probably would have done it, but I just didn't have enough confidence to, try to stay to one side of the field. So I drove around and I couldn't find anywhere, but I was like, I'm finding a place. I don't care if it's a parking lot or whatever. So I found a church parking lot, and I mean, it didn't have any features, but there was no snow on the pavement, which was good. But I didn't really, I'm not to the point really where I can, zip around tight trees and stuff like that. But it was nice to just get in the open space and, try to wing around a little bit before the sun goes down. Um, but yeah, so I was, it was nerve wracking. The whole thing was nerve wracking to me because I'm not used to it, so I pull in the parking lot, and already I'm thinking like, oh God, someone's gonna come out and yell, but there wasn't any cars there, so I was like, okay, it should be good. I'm just gonna come in here, and I only had one pack. My charger is no good. Oh, my charger is good, but I don't have the right attachment for the charger, so I can only charge at zero point 0.9 amps. Which takes about an hour to get them up from storage. Um, but pulling in the parking lot, I was just like, I'm just gonna fly real quick and get out of here. And so I put the goggles on, transmitter, or whatever, and took off. And and the quad flies great. The Pink Panther is awesome. The thing is sweet, and I thank everybody for helping me get it. Uh, Huge shout out to Rebuild FPV. You're the man, and none of it would happen if it wasn't for you. So I really appreciate it. So yeah, so I took off, and I didn't go crazy. I didn't push myself. I'm not to the point where I'm comfortable enough to push myself. I feel like I got to get that the basic feel for it down before I try to I don't know, shoot like gaps and stuff like that. But it was fun getting a little flowy action in the parking lot. It was a lot of fun. And then I'm like, I'm way, I don't know how high up in the air, but I'm way up in the air, and I'm not good at, I can't just come straight down and land. I'm not the best lander in the world. So I was, but I heard a car like pull in, and I was like, I almost like panicked. I was like, oh my God, what do I do? I almost like just like flew full speed into like a snowbank, but I was like, no, relax. Just just look at the sky and slowly back down. Um, and so that's what I did, and I landed right as the car was like pulling in the parking lot. And I don't know, it was scary at first, but I didn't know if the guy was going to say anything or whatever. He kind of went off to the side, and when I saw him, he pulled over, and I just grabbed the quad, put it in my car, and got out of there. I didn't even stop to talk or anything like that. I just flew the pack and didn't cause any problems. Nobody came out and yelled at me. Had a good time. Flew without crashing and landed, which is awesome. So yeah, this is the pack that I flew. Thanks.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rise just like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable,